Hi guys, welcome to Reviews with Rowdy. We're going to start with an unboxing today of the Mavic Air 2 drone. It cost about $1,000. We got it from Best Buy. Comes in this nice, sleek, black case here. The polyester case on this is actually really good quality. Looks like it could stand some water and scratches, dirt. Probably wipe it right off. Alright. Got this little box. Let's see what this is. This looks like a charging cable. Maybe some batteries here. Little adapter here. The other side of it is like, I'm so sorry, babe. It's in the case. Okay. Looks like it comes with at least 2 of these so far. That's what I found. What else it has in it. It comes in a really good packaging. Everything's sealed up really well. Got these nice little sleeve covers. Not sure what this is yet, but we're gonna find out. Kind of looks like a charging dock maybe. It'll connect. Ooh, we got the controller. Check that out. Looks pretty nice. This little case here. Now we got the Mavic Air 2, fresh out the box. Look at the camera on that thing. So it looks like these blades fold down, and these ones just fold right over. So you fold this one down first, and it pops in. Right back out. Pretty quick. Really nice material. It's really strong, sturdy. There's actually some more stuff in here first. We'll put it together in just a minute. Right. We got a few more little things. It's got all kinds of pockets in here. This pocket has tons of little wires and stuff in it. See what all this is. Lenses. Okay. These are the lenses. They come in this nice little case here. Okay. And this looks like a piece that goes to this charging block over here that I wasn't sure what was. It looks like they connect somehow. And I could be wrong. Let's figure it out. Before I go telling you lies. Okay. It's got a charging cable with the new little micro USB-C, the small one. Fits most Androids. Even the new iPhones are swapping their blocks out to that one. It's got a couple adapters here. The old Android charger and the new one, micro USB-C. Got this little bitty packet here. They're the thumbsticks for the controller. They screw right on, just like so. Oh, wow, it even has thumbsticks right here too. So it even looks like it has some extra thumbsticks right in the bottom of the controller. Yeah. This thing has all kinds of pockets. I'm not sure if there's anything else in the pockets, but it's good for storage if you need to put some things up. Nice little hidden zipper in there. Okay. So it comes with a battery on the drone already, and then it comes with 2 extra ones. To charge, it's got these little things here. And you can pop it right in. Let's see. And the charger block here connects on the side of this port. It's got a little connector here. So it's pretty sleek. It won't take up much room at all on like a table or nightstand. There's another box in here. Probably manual. Ooh, and some blades. Should have started with the manual here. Might have known what I was doing. So it comes with a Mavic Air 2 little user guide, a quick start guide, and a Fly More combo. Let's see what that has in it. It goes over what all the pieces are. Aircraft, remote controller, intelligent flight battery, pair of propellers, AC power adapter, AC power cable, travel bag, charging hub that can charge all 3 of your batteries at the same time. Communication cable, RC cables, and filter sets, battery power bank adapter, and control sticks. It's nice if you want to get into that. Okay, this one tells you how to use it. This is what we need here. See if we can get some propellers on this thing. Pretty sleek thing. Wait. Oh, you look at that one. Comes with a bunch. Let's see how many fit on here. So these little soft bushings come off. Okay. Okay. So if you look inside here, there's these little slots that line up with the underside of the blade. So there are two different types of props. This one has this little white ring right here around the center, and this one is black. You can see that one has a white ring and one doesn't. On the drone, one of them has these little white marks right there, while the other one doesn't. It's just completely solid black. And there's two with the whites and two with the blacks. It helps it stabilize so it doesn't flip and turn over, as they have specific propellers to hold them up. So you take your one that's black and your piece here that's all black, and it hooks right down into it. Locks into place. You might need to hold it, push down, and then twist it. Once it's locked into place, you can play with it. Okay. Then you take your one with the white, you match it up to your one with the silver marks, little white marks there. And you push it down, you lock it into place. And now you got two of them. Do it 2 more times and get the other set on them. So this whole kit comes with a really nice set where one of these bags is going to have the white marks and the other bag is going to be the ones with all the black marks on them. Make sure you pay attention to that. Okay. Yep. Okay, I could probably take all these little A's and B's stickers off. Okay. Alright, now it does want you to charge the batteries before you operate the first time. So we're going to go ahead and plug all those up. To take the battery out, it's got these little buttons on both sides. You just push them in and pull it right out like so. Now we're going to go ahead and charge them all because it's recommended to charge all the batteries before you get started flying. Okay, so we have our little charging dock here. Snap all 3 of your batteries in. You get 34 minutes per battery of flight time. Realistically, you'll probably get about 27 to 30 minutes. But that's why you get 3 of them. So one goes down, pop it on the charger, grab another one, you're good to go. Alright, 3 batteries on a really sleek charger. We're going to get those plugged up. Thank you. So if you just pull this straight out, you can slide your phone right in it, like so. And then it becomes a monitor for you to fly your drone. It's got little cushions right here too for your phone to rest on that are pretty nice. And little buttons back here. This is the camera button. This looks like probably a zoom button. That's what it feels like. But in the back here, down here, there's these 2 cables. There's a micro USB-C for the Android phones, and there is an iPhone adapter here to plug into your phone. So we're gonna go ahead and get it plugged up. It's the same cable. It is the same cable. So these are also 2 cables that you can use if you have a different adapter. Like if you have the old Android, you can use it in the back of here. You just plug one side up into a hole that fits, and then the other side up into your phone. We can't turn it on until the batteries are charged, so we'll come back and show you how it flies later.